How do you sterilize the thing closest to you, your mobile phone, within 10 minutes with Wonderchef Mobile Sterilizer? So here is how it works. Switch it on by pressing this button. A soft blue light, which is actually the UV rays, it comes on. These UV rays kill all kinds of microbes, bacteria and virus. You simply keep your mobile phone inside this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will get switched off and a clean mobile phone will be there for you to use. What is amazing is that it also acts as a wireless charger. So once you keep your mobile in, it starts getting charged automatically. So what I do is, every morning when I come to office, I sterilize my mobile for 10 minutes, and before I leave the office, I again sterilize it for 10 minutes. The most important thing to sanitize, which you cannot wash, is your currency. So you just simply put it inside, switch it on for 10 minutes, and your currency will be safe and secure. You can disinfect your keys, earpods, even your mask. Similarly, you can disinfect all personal items of jewelry, watch, earrings with the mobile sterilizer. There is always something special about a Wonderchef product backed by our warranty.